Who's Izzy getting you? Daniel. Okay, talk to him.
Hi. The squirrel's in my pants. The squirrel's in my pants.
Be careful, be careful. Don't jump by him, okay?
The squirrel's in my pants. 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 The squirrel's.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. Let's see it.
Bye, Daniel.